The hell is that? Yo, can I help?
Hi. Yeah, I purchased an item off your eBay for collection only. Have I got the correct place?
Oh, yes, I remember, yes. I was expecting you.
Ah, thank you. I love Pokemon.
Right.
I used to have this when I was little. What's your favorite Pokemon?
Was there a Bulbasaur?
Mine's, Ditto.
Right, you can leave now, okay? I'm gonna go.
What other stuff you got? Can I see? Can I come in?
No.
Can we not be friends? Can we?
No.
If you don't want a negative review, and I've said you don't have any negative reviews, you better be my friend.
In future, just pay for delivery, okay? Thank you. See ya.
Ooh, he's a naughty boy. I'm gonna be back for him.
Jesus, what a bloody weirdo.